Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add money to my PayPal balance from my bank. So it's all about sending money from your bank to your PayPal account. So how are you going to do that? First is you just have to simply launch your PayPal application and then you have to log in your account. And here you will see your PayPal balance. So all you have to do is to click that. And below your PayPal balance, you should see transfer. Once you tap transfer, you will see this option such as transfer to your bank, request a check by mail, and then add money to your balance. So what you're going to do, since we are talking about money in, not money out, you're going to click this add money to your balance. So that means you're going to add money from a specific bank to your PayPal account. Once you tap this one, it will show you all the bank account that you have linked to your PayPal. So all you have to do is to select that bank account here. And then once you have picked that bank account, notice that they only support transfers from confirmed banks, not cards, for adding money to PayPal. Next thing to do is you have to enter the amount, and you have to make sure also that your bank account has available funds. So you have to enter the amount right here from a specific bank account. You will see it right here to your PayPal, and you will see your available balance here. So estimated arrival 3 to 5 business days. Once done, all you have to do is to click next. And that's it. Now, if you want to do it on your mobile, because we're using application here, so if you go to browser and then log in your PayPal, you will see the same feature, the same page, the same look of PayPal. Below, you will see your account, and all you have to do is to click this transfer funds right here. Now you need to enter the amount, and below you can see two options, add money or transfer. All you have to do is to click add money. Now below the amount that you have entered, you will see this other way on how to add money to your PayPal. Cash a check, add cash, add from your bank. If you tap this, add cash, then you will see some options here on how to add cash to your PayPal. Same thing with the bank account. It will show you your options are available, link cards or link bank account to your PayPal. And that's it. Once you have typed the amount that you want to send, you can see here from, that is the bank account or other payment method or provider, and then to your PayPal account here. Click add to your balance and go back to your PayPal to see if the amount has been added to your PayPal account. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.